Oh, 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 it's magic. You know, this is for a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. These are aftermarket headlights that were provided to me by the customer, and we did quite a few modifications to them to make them super personalized. First and foremost, this used to be clear. This is the diffuser for the factory OEM LEDs that were originally in the housing. This is the collection of them right now. They were a single color, just white. Now they are multicolor. That is HydroDipped, a carbon fiber weave. This amber reflector is wrapped in a color matching vinyl to the rest of the accents on the vehicle. The projector itself, which was of course an aftermarket poopy little H1 halogen projector, has been replaced with the Morimoto Mini D2S HID assembly and etched with the ByThirteen logo. So we will actually have nice high quality performance lighting out of this assembly, as well as the high beam location, which now has the Morimoto 2-stroke LED bulb in there just for supplementary high beam action. This little reflector bowl is not going to give you a lot of gusto, but it also gives you the ability for flash to pass, because this projector right there, that is a ByXenon assembly. So that will be your high beam as well as your low beam. So you're going to have plenty of power coming out of the ByXenon assembly, the MD2S, for your high beams as well as the low beams. They're still fully adjustable from the factory adjustment points. And let's go ahead and show them off a little bit here for a second, okay? Now, the one thing that you might notice is different is I'm not actually putting these guys over in my typical spot with the white background, and that is because they are A, massive, they're huge, and second of all, because right now I've got the bay lighting shining in. I don't have a light box. Even if I did, it would not be large enough to hold these housings. But because they are slightly smoked outer lenses and they're black interior, you can't even see inside of them when I had them over there. So we have them over here with the sunlight directly firing into it, and you can still see, of course, we have wonderfully bright HID output. This is one of those rare instances where the customer wanted a cool blue output, so that is what I am obliging him with. So we're running 35 watt ballast and 6500 Kelvin bulbs. Okay, enough of that now. Let's get those RGB strips fired up so you can see those. Okay, they have now been fired up. As you can see, they're in the running light white mode, so they are really pretty. That diffuser does its job real well. It also still kind of shows off that carbon fiber weave, which is, honestly, it's a really cool effect. Honestly, I like this a lot, you know? But fear not, all you supercar custom guys, we have RGB capabilities. So right now I'm running it off the Morimoto Bluetooth app. So this gives us 3 channels of control. Right now I've got it wired up so that the left side is controlled independently from the right side. So as you can see, I can throw it on 2 different colors like that. Now this has a multitude of effects that we can do, any color that you want. Let's throw them both on the same control and then put them on blue. As you can see, ta-da, it's blue. We can do red, it's maybe a yellow, or maybe if we're feeling frisky, like a little cyan. Now what's real fun about these strips is that they are still switchback. So when they are installed, the turn signal will activate whichever side is blinking for a nice supplemental turn signal effect. Ta-da! And that's that in action. As you can see, really nice turn signal, and it's gonna catch some eyes. Obviously, you can drive around with it in some pretty cool colors as well. Probably not a blue, that's not recommended, but you know what? You can throw it in a green. How about that, eh? Maybe a little bit of a purple. Whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Well, that's about all I have to say on this set. Pricing and product information is going to be in the video description. Obviously, email me directly for any build requests for yourself. This has been a really fun build. Thanks again for watching this video. As always, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See you later.